Obsessive-compulsive disorder is thought to be caused by a deficiency in a particular neurotransmitter substance in the brain called serotonin, or a dysregulation in the serotonin system of neurons in the brain. A neurotransmitter is a chemical substance that allows nerve impulses to be transmitted from one nerve cell to another. It is helpful to know that there may be physiological dysfunctions involved in panic disorder and obsessive-compulsive disorder. This certainly has implications for treatment of these problems. But this does not mean that panic attacks and obsessive-compulsive disorder are physiological disturbances only. The question remains, what caused the physiological disturbance itself? Perhaps chronic stress due to psychological conflict causes the amygdala and locus coeruleus to malfunction in panic disorder. Or perhaps chronically suppressed anger sets up a disturbance in brain serotonin levels that is a contributing cause of obsessive-compulsive disorder. Psychological conflicts and repressed anger may, in turn, have been caused by a person's upbringing. Because any particular physiological disturbance may have originally been set up by stress or other psychological factors. It is a fallacy to assume that anxiety disorders are solely or even primarily caused by physiological imbalances. The psychological fallacy makes the same kind of mistake in the opposite direction. It assumes that, say, social phobia or generalized anxiety disorder is caused by having grown up with parents who neglected, abandoned, or abused you, resulting in a deep-seated sense of insecurity or shame that causes your current phobic avoidance and anxiety as an adult. While it may be true that your family background contributed in an important way to your current problems, is it reasonable to assume that this is the only cause? Again, not really. To do so overlooks the possible contributions of hereditary and biological factors. After all, not all children who grow up in dysfunctional families develop anxiety disorders. It is more plausible to assume that your problem is a result of both a hereditary predisposition toward anxiety and possibly phobia, and two early childhood conditions that fostered a sense of shame and/or insecurity.